Hi, welcome to this lesson on algebra logarithms, using logs to solve equations, question 3. We want to solve for x. Log base 2 of x squared, that's your argument, is equal to 4. So let's go ahead and try and solve this. Well, first of all, remember what the logarithm says. Here's your base, here is the exponent, and this is the number that we want to get out of this. So therefore, the number x squared is equals to the base, which is 2, to the power of the exponent, which is 4. But 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So therefore, we are solving x squared equals 16. Now, if we take square root on both sides, we have to be careful because it becomes plus or minus the square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4. So therefore we get two solutions, x equals 4 or x equals negative 4. Let's check that both of these solutions make sense. So log base 2 of a number squared. So let's put 2 in first. 4, sorry. And then we get 4, which is what we had in the original equation. But if I put negative 4 first inside here, I also get 4. Now that's interesting because we usually expect the input to be positive, but now I've got negative solution, x equals 4 or x equals negative 4. But this is still true because when you put the negative number into the square, it'll always generate a positive number. So the input of your logarithm is still positive, and that's important. The input of your logarithm must always be a positive number when you apply the logarithm onto it in that original expression. If you use the power rule first in this equation, log base 2 of x squared equals 4. If you had used the power rule and brought the 2 down, what would happen? You'd have 2 times log base 2 of x equals 4. Now here, can you see your x would have to be a positive input? Because when you solve this, if you divide both sides by 2, to get rid of this 2 here, that becomes 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And then to solve for x by itself, you take the base and you raise it to this exponent. So therefore, x is equal to 2 to the power 2, which is 4. Now you only got one of the solutions, but you would have missed the other solution. Because if you did the power rule first, the only possible answer had to be a positive input for here. But the original expression had an x squared, which would make negative numbers for x positive before you applied the logarithm. And that's the key takeaway with this question. It's very important that you understand that the logarithm has to have positive inputs upon its original expressions, which was in this case x squared. All right, I'll see you in the next one.